Welcome to this explainer. Today we're doing something a little different. We are unpacking the exact architectural blueprint of a highly specific AI curriculum mandate. It's essentially a concentrated set of instructions designed to build an educational foundation totally from scratch, and we are going to break the whole thing down piece by piece. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so look at this exact raw directive. This is our source material for today. It explicitly states, quote, create an educational video script for the platform Notebook LM. Now, this targeted command is fascinating because it establishes both the medium and the exact environment right out of the gate, demanding a super precise approach to teaching these complex subjects. So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the genesis of intelligence, then look at the platform target of Notebook LM. After that, we'll cover the 3 pillars of AI, the strict educational parameters, and finally, the knowledge-building goal. Simple enough, right? All right, Section 1, the genesis of intelligence, deconstructing the core mandate. This source text isn't just a casual suggestion. It is a rigorous definition of what foundational education actually needs to look like. It aims to engineer a true genesis of intelligence. How? By establishing this completely distraction-free bedrock of understanding. The whole point is ensuring that the learner is totally anchored in the material, without any outside noise. Moving right along to Section 2, Platform Target Notebook LM, designing for a specific environment. Now, what's really interesting here is how the mandate strictly separates the pure educational requirements from prohibited distractions. On one hand, you have uncompromising requirements, like utilizing literally only the latest content. And on the other hand, strict prohibitions, absolutely no copyrighted materials, and zero background music. It basically demands a highly optimized, almost sterile laboratory for learning. Okay, Section 3, 3 pillars of AI, the core curriculum structure. The learning journey here is explicitly structured into 3 sequential pillars. First, it demands an explanation of what is AI, followed by the fundamental concepts of AI, and rounds out with the history of artificial intelligence. It's totally logical. I mean, you can't really grasp the history without the concepts, and you definitely can't get the concepts without defining the subject first, right? So, Pillar 1. The curriculum begins by making absolutely sure the learner grasps the literal definition of AI before moving on to anything else. It demands a clear, unambiguous starting line. We have to establish exactly what we're talking about before we even try to explain how it works. Then, once that's defined, Pillar 2 moves us from the what to the how. It requires a really deep dive into the fundamental mechanical and conceptual architecture that actually makes artificial intelligence possible. Finally, Pillar 3 demands historical context, because once you know what AI is and how it functions, you really need to understand its journey. This ensures that the learner views AI not as some sudden, inexplicable magic, but as the result of decades of careful iteration and massive breakthroughs. To put that all into perspective, these pillars create a strict chronological progression. Phase 1 defines the entity, Phase 2 masters the mechanics, and Phase 3 explores the origin story. It is a brilliant pedagogical sequence designed to layer knowledge step by step, which is absolutely crucial to prevent cognitive overload. Up next is Section 4, Strict Educational Parameters, the Rules of Engagement. This really illustrates the absolute purity required by the mandate. The demand for completely the latest content and a strict educational focus is balanced right against absolute restrictions, meaning 0 copyrighted materials and 0 background music. By insisting on the latest content, banning any copyright risks, and completely stripping away music, the mandate prioritizes modern accuracy and legal safety above everything else. It totally rejects flashy distractions, and instead it bets entirely on the raw power of knowledge itself. In fact, the text literally says, quote, without using any music or background music. Now, cognitively, that's fascinating. You see, background music actually uses up working memory. By demanding silence, the mandate ensures 100% of your brain's bandwidth is dedicated to absorbing these complex concepts, no distractions. Which brings us to our final section, Section 5, the knowledge-building goal, the ultimate purpose. Here, the source explicitly lists 4 overlapping targets: educational purposes, teaching applications, active learning, and pure knowledge building. This kind of forceful repetition is highly intentional. It ensures the creator never, ever loses sight of the end user. The exact quote demands content, quote, for the purpose of educational/teaching/learning and knowledge-building purposes. This perfectly highlights that every strict parameter we've talked about today serves this single unified mission. It creates a completely closed loop of instructional design.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, we have to ask ourselves, how will this strict, distraction-free foundation actually shape our future understanding of AI? I mean, if we completely strip away the noise and focus purely on structured, latest generation knowledge, how much faster will the next generation comprehend the machines they're building? It's a huge question and one absolutely worth thinking about. Thanks for exploring this blueprint with me today.